Alright, today I'm going to show you how to replace the thermal paste on a CPU. And I'm going to do this on a Dell 3020, but this will work the same as everything. Of course, you want to make sure you've got it unplugged and the power's off. And the first thing you want to do is remove your side panel. Take your CD drive out. Unplug your hard drive. Now, in a Dell, these are blue, and in an HP, they're usually green. But search for that, and it'll show you a lever where you can take these things apart. Now, this is also how you can get to your RAM if you need to. Now, we're going to take the CPU cooler off. Alright, whenever you take this off, loosen it a little bit from opposite sides. Take the tension off of it equally. This is Alright, there's our old CPU paste. Not really looking that good, kind of hard. Alright, you're going to want to get you some rubbing alcohol and a paper towel. Let's go ahead and fold this down to a smaller size. Get a little bit of rubbing alcohol in there, and then we'll go to work. And let's see if we can get a better view of that. We'll go to work cleaning out this CPU paste. Now, usually whenever you order some of this thermal compound, with the compound, you get this piece of plastic, like a scraper, for you to get some of those hard pieces of the dried up thermal compound off there. You don't want to put metal in like that. Okay. Now, if you get loose pieces down in there like that, you can get it out, but you're going to have to undo this CPU clamp that holds the processor in place. Lamp back on here before I do any more cleaning on that CPU. Alright. They're looking good. As you can see right here on that, this is an i3-4130. It's a dual core 3.4 gigahertz in case you're wondering. Now, we've got to clean this too. So get yourself some more rubbing alcohol on here. This time you don't have to be quite as careful about how much rubbing alcohol you have on it. As you can see, this paste got cooked on there really well. So you're going to have to scrub it off if your cooler looks like this. So you're going to keep getting more and more of it off. You got to get it all off. HPs usually don't cook the paste quite as bad as these Dells do. I don't know if that's a difference in the type of cooler that they use or what. But now that we've got all this nice and clean, we want to put our new thermal compound on here. Now don't go crazy when it comes to this thermal compound. It doesn't need a lot. Some people have put it on in crosses. I like to put it on in dots. Better not to struggle, love against angels just to sin. Better when you suffer. Alright, that's probably more than enough, actually. Better to hurt yourself than betray your friends. It's better. It's better. Alright. Want to note where your power is for your fan. Line up your screws, and you want to try to set it exactly down on the screw holes, like so. Make sure if you use a drill, you back that puppy up. You don't need a lot of power on this. You just need to get it attached. See that low torque? That's all it needs to do is attach firmly to the CPU. You ain't got to drill it into the board or anything. I'm going to take this power connector. A lot of times they look different, but they usually always have 4 pins. Turn this way and I can get my fingers to it. Go. Bam. Alright. Put it back in the hard drive. Hook our power up to it. Alright. Make sure the wires aren't in the way of your little locking mechanism. Slide that back into place. We're going to put this DVD drive back in it. It was not connected, but if you wanted to connect it. So in yours you probably would have that drive connected, so I'm going to just connect it up for you so you see. It's no big deal. It's an easy thing to do. Now you put your side back on, put in these little screws and plug everything back up, and you have successfully replaced the thermal paste on your CPU. Congratulations.